Are you looking to maintain eye contact during your FaceTime calls even when you're glancing at your screen? This feature allows users to keep eye contact with the person they are talking to, even if their eyes are not directly in contact with the camera. Let's look at how to fake eye contact on FaceTime. Let's get started. Solution 1: Enable eye contact feature on FaceTime. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, tap on FaceTime, scroll down, look for the eye contact option and toggle it on. Solution 2: Start a FaceTime call. Open the FaceTime app on your iPhone, select a contact or enter a phone number or email address to start a call. While on the call, ensure you are looking at the screen. The eye contact feature will automatically adjust your gaze. By following these steps, you should be able to enable and use the eye contact feature during your FaceTime calls, allowing for a more engaging and contacted conversation. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and stay tuned for the next video.